At the Art of Shaving, we combine the finest ingredients with the experience of Master Barbers to elevate your daily shave from routine to ritual. Follow along to master the 4 elements of the perfect shave. Step 1. Start strong with your skin prep. Apply a small amount of our pre-shave oil to your hands and gently massage it into your facial hair to soften the hair, improve razor glide, and prevent irritation. Step 2. Run your brush under warm water before adding a dab of our shaving cream to the center. Apply a rich lather to help exfoliate your skin. Step 3. Use a clean, sharp blade to shave with the grain on your first pass. Relather and shave across or against the grain. And Step 4. Rinse with cold water before applying our Aftershave Balm to your face and neck to replenish moisture and soothe your skin. There's no shortcut to perfection. Master the 4 elements of the perfect shave for a smoother, more comfortable shave. The Art of Shaving.